How to use Sumif in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see, I have these tables. Now, to add Sumif, simply click on the cell where you want your answer. After you've selected the cell, type in equal sign. Then type Sumif and start bracket. After you have started bracket, you need to select range. Range, in my case, it's all products, so I'm selecting all the products. Comma, then criteria, which is gonna be one of the product. Then type comma and all the sum range. After you have selected sum range, close the bracket and press on enter. Then your formula will work and you'll find answers. You can also drag it downwards to find answer of all the products. And this is how to use Sumif in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.